Alright, we gotta go look for those Leavian bones. I already found those weird ones in the desert, so we're gonna go find some more. E. Not so tough when you're shot in the eye, huh? Oh, Jesus, he just got up. Run. I'm sorry I went stepping all over your territory. I didn't mean to. Let me just freeze you with my powers and then hit you in the eye. His eye wasn't even opened. Dang, this guy's just a whiner. Oh, he's about to butt stomp me, boys. He's got a pretty big one, too. That wasn't very nice, I'm sorry. Not sorry enough to not kill you though, to die. Dang, the soldier's broadsword, man. Oh, it's a royal broadsword. Dang, man, this boy's been hitting up the club. Then I'm gonna take your steak and your toenail and your guts and your tooth and your spear. Oh wait, I already have 2 of those. And drumsticks. And more of your drumsticks. Your tooth. Your butt. Not your bow. Your seared steak and your tooth again. Essentially, I stole his body. Ha! I stole his body. Ooh. That one guy wanted me to take pictures of sun shrooms. I feel like this is the perfect time. Alright. It's the elusive sun shroom. Got a picture of it. I want to replace the picture. How many pictures of sun shrooms do we have? You have the Leavian bones. That didn't matter. You have a wild berry. We have a... What is that face supposed to... Gut check rocks. Do you have what it takes? I don't want them checking my guts. Only my doctor's allowed to do that. Alright, fine. You can check my guts. But you better have a degree. Look at this guy. He needs to work on that gut. Get up. I said get up! My spear literally goes through him. Can I jump on him? Can I jump on him? Why can't I jump on him? Alright, we gotta do some paragliding skills, I'm guessing. Which better way than climb up that giant rock? Oh, it's an angry guy. We're just not gonna talk to him. I can literally just skip all those pillars. I don't have to climb anything. Oh, it's a shrine. Oh, but it's being guarded. What are you doing here, you fat boy? He can't even fight back. He can't even fight back. He won't even fight back. He's talking about how strong he is, and he won't even fight back. Not so strong when I have my spear. Alright, whatever. I'm just here for the Leavian bones. I ain't here for these guys to check my guts without a doctor's degree. Brutal! Brutally rude, Tiny Highland. This sacred platform is only for true Goron men, as decided by the Goron blood brothers. So shove off, non-brother. If you want to respect it, you gotta earn it. Did you really have to do an entire cutscene just because I walked up to that thing? You could have just said, get your butt off my property, you stupid piece of... Alright. Oh! It's those guys that can turn rusty swords into royal stuff. Dang, I really wish I had a rusty, weapon so I could see if this really worked. Swift Violet. What the heck is that doing here out of all places? Oh, sure. I forgot to... Oh. You know how much I love the boomerangs. Oh, no. Wait. There's no Octoroks. You know what that means. Gotta get my swag on, boys. I haven't worn this in 6 years. Hello there, brother. May I have your boomerang? I don't think he's gonna give me his boomerang. There's only one choice. I'm sorry, brother, but I must do this. Is that a steel lizard shield too? Dang, brother, you prepared. I've never taken a picture of a Reservados. That's our gallery. Alright, let's take a picture. Alright, bros for life. Come on, get behind me. I said get behind me. Yeah, brother. You better get behind me. Inspect it. What's wrong, bud doctor? I don't think he has a degree. He's just talking to him. This guy needs some serious mental help. Oh, I'm sorry, brother. You weren't meant to see that. I just wanted to take a selfie, man. Hey, where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going, brother? Where do you think you're going? Yeah, we're taking a picture. Yeah, we're taking a picture. Oh, yeah, we're taking a picture, boy. I don't care what you think. Dang it. I want to take a selfie with him. Just gotta move a little bit. Stop it, brother. Brother, stop. Brother, stop. I wanted to take a selfie. Oh, that's a good photo. Oh, that's a good photo. Me and brother. Best friends forever. Alright, brother, all I came for was a flint. I actually never want to visit again. I'm getting out of here, brother. By the way, I'll spare you, just because you're my brother. Hey, look, it's a remote bomb. You want to play some football, mate? Yeah, let's play some football. Let's play some football. It's the championships. I'm going to win this thing. I'm going to win this thing. Brother, I told you, you're bad at football. I am going to win this thing. Ow! Brother, I was going to win. I was going to beat the championships. Brother, what are you doing? Keep on hitting my ball. I just came here for the flint, brother. And luminous stone. Because you just happen to have that. Wait, I have enough to give that lady some flint. I can finally get the thunder helm. Alright, forget you, brother. I'm just gonna leave. Bye, brother. Oh, wait, I forgot you're terrible at surfing. Brother, you're an idiot. You're terrible at surfing. I've told you that a million times. Are those Leavian bones? Where's Dinroll? Oh, yeah. Dinroll's an idiot. Dinroll, you're supposed to be back home by 5:30. Cousin, is that really you? Why does everybody in my family live here? It's gotta be a coincidence. Cousin, I know you loved camouflaging. Stop camouflaging for a second. I want to get a selfie! Dude, you're covered in sand. I don't even know what color you are. Oh! Oh, you're definitely from our family. Cousin, why do you have the exact same gear as, brother? You know, forget you, cousin. I wasn't here for you. Just like I wasn't there for brother. I was just here for those bones. I don't think our family cares about bones. Oh, look, it's those guys who really like to eat a lot. Right. Gotta give them a French pate. Oi, mate! Hey! No vomiting at the dinner table. No, I said no vomiting at the dinner table. Alright, you ate your dinner. How the heck? You have brothers? And he's impolite just like you. He better eat his dinner as well. And then you take your dead bodies and cook them into elixirs. Oh, it's just fire she's. Oh no! Oh no! It's the babies. Shield their eyes. Oh, it's a Korok puzzle. This can't be hard at all. There's a lot of flint here. Is that a diamond? Is that a diamond? It's luminous stone. That ain't a diamond, boys. Surprisingly, it's not a diamond. But we were here. We weren't here for the diamonds. We were here for the Leavian bones. That's what we're done. I found them. It's the Elden Great Skeleton. Yeah, no one cares about that one in the sandstorm. Now this is the real deal. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Why are they here? I just wanted to start a party. You know what? Let's start a party. Let's party all night. Party all night! Oh no, he noticed me! Senpai! We will travel the world together. Oh no, Senpai's not too fun. Holy Jesus! Senpai! He hates me! Senpai, what did I ever do? Senpai! Senpai, I thought we were friends! I thought we were friends! Senpai, you're better than this! Stop it, Senpai. Stop throwing rocks. No. Senpai, you know you can't be trusted with rocks. Senpai, you can't be trusted with rocks. I am just here for pictures. I'm not here to deal with your dumb butt. And brother, how did you get those fire arrows? We don't even live. You don't even live here. Yeah, that's what I thought. Stop shooting fire arrows. I think there's only one choice. As the arrow comes right towards me. Alright, there's only one choice. I'm sorry, brother! Ow! Dude, that was a spiked Boko club! That should have done nothing! That took out half of my health! That was a spiked Boko club. Oh look, sun shrooms. Num 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 num. Oh my god. Guys, I can't believe it! I can't believe you crashed my party! We were gonna have such a fun time together. Such a fun time. Guys, there's something wrong with you. Did you know how much fun we were gonna have? You don't even know how much fun we were gonna have. You guys decided to be wrong. So there you go, you're frozen statues now. Wait, I have a better idea. Alright, brother. Let's see how you compare. Say hello to my little friend. Oh my god, I need another great Thunderblade, I think. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need a new Thunderblade. Oh no. Yeah, you better lay there on the ground. Oh my god. Guys, I thought we were chill. Guys, I thought we were chill. And now you're gonna shoot me. Is that a great flame blade? I'm not here for that. I'm here for the Leavian bones. Brother, you're an idiot, brother. I'm also gonna... Some people say that's their favorite bone in the entire game. You can't do this, brother! You can't do this! You're not even my brother. You're just a weird follower. Now I'm gonna take your body hearts. Body hearts. What the heck is a body heart? Yeah. This dumb golden bow sucks! Exchange for steel Lizzle bow? I'll take it anyway. Oh, crap! There's 2 white ones. And they're right next to black ones. Okay, guys, Zelda's racist now. Zelda is officially racist. Well, they're not racist. That's just dumb. Guys, why are you mad? I am one of you. What? Oh, no. Oh, no, they don't like me. Guys, I thought we were bros. Chill, mate. Chill. Mate, I didn't mean for it to end this way. Mate, it shouldn't have ended this way. I say as I completely obliterate him. Brother, this isn't cool. Brother, I thought we were brothers. Alright, I've said brother too many times in this video. Just die. You're not even related to me, so die. And then you explode, and then I take your two guys. Hey guys! Guess who? Morning call, get your butts up! Oh my god, they noticed me. Oh, those guys weren't even fooled by it. They just didn't even know. That was an arrow shot. There better be a save state on this. An entire enemy camp. There's gotta be a save state. They can't just tell you to go to any enemy camp and then no save state. Yeah. And why do I have to spawn right next to the biggest and the strongest one in the entire pack? Why do I have to spawn by him? I'm not your friend. I'm not your... Get away. I came here for photography, not to be killed. Guys, I just wanted to do some photography. I don't even want to have to do with you. I just want to take a picture of the weird skeleton butt and I'll be on my way. Weird skeleton butt. Yeah, that's what we're calling it. Oh yeah, I'm calling it the weird skeleton butt. Alright, where is the shrine? Where is the shrine? The shrine? Where's the shrine? The frick is the shrine! Fine, I'm just here for the pictures. You know, guys, I am a great photographer. It does... I just threw my bomb into their camps. Everybody's just like, what? Brother, no. How am I supposed to take a picture of this? It doesn't even know. Doesn't even know what I'm trying to take a picture of. What am I trying to take a picture of? This giant skeleton? Well, it could be something else. It's the Leavian volcano. He just won't accept it. That's the Leavian from the ball. Oh no, brother. Alright, has my side quest been updated? It better be. You better talk about those weird things. Yeah. Yeah, they better talk about those weird things. Well, I found the Elden once. I found him. Boom, Elden once. Right in front of your dumb face. I'm kidding. You guys are dumb. Alright, time to go to the cold region and get those. I didn't find the bones, but I did find Cold Snap Hollow. So you know what time it is. We're gonna find that weird rock talus, cold talus, whatever you. Time to go swimming. I've bathed in weeks. And I finally found somewhere where I could bathe. Wait, what? Alright, it's bathing time. Let's do this. I'm gonna bathe in water, even though it is very cold and it is probably going to kill me. It's totally rad. Rad is forever. Oh no, it hurts. It's too cold. It's too cold. Surprisingly, I didn't die by drowning. I died by being too freaking cold. Alright, freezing climates. And then it decides to talk about freezing climates. Like, yeah, you died because you're so freaking stupid. You should have just put some cold armor on. I did put cold armor on. Yeah? Oh, yeah, I put some cold armor on. It just didn't work out the way I was planning. I wasn't planning to die today. I'm so glad how it doesn't rain in the snow. Because that would have been the pit of my existence. Alright, just don't land in the river. Don't land in the river. Don't land in the river. Don't do it, Link. Link, you know what your destiny is. What is your destiny? To destroy again. But what is your second destiny? Don't you dare fall in that freezing cold water. Alright, let's do this. And... Alright, I finally got the flower! Oh, it's just a Korok seed. How the frick are you even living right now? We're in freezing cold climates. How is he not freezing? It's just like how I went into the Elden region and I found a Korok right next to like some lava and I'm just like, dude, how the frick? What the frick and how the frick are you alive right now? He is just sitting next to the cold rocks like, it's fine. It's fine. Since we can't find the Leavian bones, I'll come back to you with another episode. But in this episode, since we can't find them, we're just gonna defeat the Talus, and then we're gonna get the Thunder Helm and go to the Thundra Plateau or whatever it's called, and you just sit there with a metal weapon out and just make us look so cool. Cause it's always raining in Thunder. It's always raining in the Thunder Plateau. They don't call it Thundra Plateau for nothing. It rains there. Infinite. Maybe not infinite. Oh no, shoot my arrow. If only I could, if only I was so lightweight I could just fly with a leaf. I'd be out of the country by now. I'd be in Russia. And this is Russia. This is clearly Russia. This is the mountain parts of Russia. So freaking cold. I don't know how Russians deal with this every day. I mean, it is cold. Well, I get Canadians have to go through this too. But still, it ain't any better. No matter who you are, I wouldn't want to go through this. I don't think anybody. Why is there a giant weird ice pillar? One time I found a bokoblin frozen in it. Like the frickin' Ice Age. Jesus. Alright, here's Cold Snap Hollow. Where's that giant weird Frostallis everybody's telling me about? Said it should be... That's a Hebra plunge. We're going towards water. Everybody knows what happens when you go into water in freezing cold freaking climates. You die. You die. So what is the point of Hebra plunge if I'm just gonna die? Cause come on. Everybody. Oh, there's a boat. But still, I'm going to die. Everybody knows that freezing cold... I don't understand how we can turn the water into ice when the water is already freezing cold. We can just turn it into ice. Up the antes, boys. So I don't understand how Link can't take this freezing cold water, but he can take... No! Link, get out of it! Link, you were about to die. Do you know how cold those... Oh, the Hebra plunge actually isn't cold. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. There's snow falling from the sky. How are we... I don't get it. How the heck is Link we're in freezing cold climates. How the heck is Link... How the heck is the water not frozen? I just don't know what to say. I'm just impressed that the water's not freezing cold and we're right next to snow. Okay, Rivali, I don't really need that right now, you see? Alright, I'm swimming up that waterfall because it's gonna look really... Oh. Up! You better do this quick! Link, move your booty! Move it! Link, move it. Link, you are going to die. Eat something warm. Eat a warm doner. Eat it. He can't even eat it. Fine, then just equip something that's hot. This is hot. Link, shut up. You're holding a hot weapon. You should be fine. Link, you're an idiot. Fine. For some odd reason. But how am I gonna get that? I guess it's just up to the Zora helm. Oh, I hope it's not cold. This is America. Oh, we only need the treasures. Ha! I can swim up the waterfall anytime I want. Look at me go! Link is essentially a fish. Look at him go. Link, not only is he a fish, he's freaking beautiful. I thought it didn't rain in the cold regions. This is stupid. This is outrageous. This is Sparta! No, I'm not gonna do it. Hello! I'm recording a freaking video. Get the frick out. Yes, you better something. Fly! Fly. How long is this video? Holy crap, we ran out of time. Alright, boys. I guess I'm just gonna have to do a part 2.